Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 12th of August. And first of all, national news. India to be fastest growing economy this year. Government sources. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Thursday said the state government is mooting a universal health insurance scheme for residents of the state. Ex-Vice President of Mehul Chokshi promoted Gitanjali Group gets bail. New Omicron subvariant found in majority of samples, Delhi hospitals study. New Omicron subvariant in Delhi 20 to 30% more infectious. COVID panel hit. Air India to add 24 new domestic flights to its fleet from August 20. Congress to launch Mehangai Chaupals on price rise, mega rally in Delhi. And now some international news. 7 Russian warplanes destroyed in explosion. Crimean airbase. Board of lockdown. New Zealand teenager builds 25-meter long Lego train, break world record. US power lifter created world record by lifting 737 kg in 3 attempts. Kim Jong-un seriously ill in North Korea COVID surge, his sister said. And now some sports news. Arjun Tendulkar seeks an OC from Mumbai, likely to play for Goa next season. Kieron, Pollard, Dwayne, others sign up for participation in UAE's International League T20. Rishabh Pant appointed as brand ambassador of Uttarakhand. Indian football team to play against Vietnam, Singapore in September. And now let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 11th of August, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 34 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.